What's up, y'all? It's Sewell, and today I'm gonna show you a dummy-proof version of how to cut curly/coily hair. So let's go. Now, first we're gonna pick out the hair, making the curls as straight as possible or flat, just so when we section out the hair and we pull the hair and add tension to the curls, it'll be as straight as possible to give it an even cut.
You can get gold faster.
Yeah, but
Alright, y'all, let's get into it. As you can see right here, we did create a middle section going all the way back in between the eyebrows. Boom, boom, boom. Now, as you can see, I'm checking with my client to make sure, okay, hey, is this the amount that you want to cut off? Because I don't want to be liable for, hey, you cut my hair too short. Psych. Anyway, so as you can see with my left hand, I'm adding a lot of tension on that hair, making sure that the curls are as straight as possible so we can give it an even cut. So as you can see right here, I just create that little section right there, and I did it in the middle, and I'm gonna follow it all the way back in a straight line, kind of as if you're braiding, you know, and you make a straight line with the part all the way back. That's what we're gonna do with this. Now, if y'all could see my face this whole time, I'm making the ugliest face. Now, this is when you really locked in. You're like, all right, I got to get this trimmed down. Now, as you can see, I'm getting the angles. I'm maneuvering my... Look at that. Look at so ugly. Never mind. Anyway, back to it. Stop what you're doing. Now, pay attention right here. As you can see, we're connecting that middle section into the left section. Boom. Easy like butter. This is dummy proof. This is for the people that don't know how to trim curly hair. Now we trimming. Hey, we all learning. I'm still learning to this day. I'm just teaching y'all what I know. Anyway, as you can see, I'm adding a lot of tension with that comb. And now, boom, easy money. As you can see, we're just going to repeat that whole thing going all the way back. And I'm going to do a little fast forward for y'all. Alright, boom, check it out. Now we're in the middle, and now we're gonna do that right side. Boop, 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 trim, easy. Now, remember, a lot of tension. Now we're just gonna keep following that back. Now you can see I'm sectioning another right behind that, and I'm just gonna line it up with the middle. Now, the hair is hella curly and thick, so you gotta keep combing, moving, and just make sure you could get the most straightest out of it. Like, put a lot of tension on that hair to make it as straight as possible. That's gonna be your best friend at the moment, is that tension. Now, as you can see, I was struggling, but y'all gonna see this end result. Now we're gonna come in with my blow dryer at high heat with my pick, and we're just gonna keep picking everything out. And shout out to my guy Ely, because I had him looking like he got hit by lightning. But after we're done picking all the hairs out, we're gonna come back with my shears, and we're just gonna clear everything around it, make sure there's no extra long hair sticking out. Now, boom, now I'm done with the trim, and now I'm gonna show my client the hair. I tell him, hey, look at it, check it, play around with it. Let me know if anything feels a little off. But he looked at it, he checked all angles, felt it, and he was like, you know what, this is a perfect length. And you know what, I thought so too. If you guys enjoyed what you guys seen, please like, subscribe, and comment. But here's a little bonus. First, we're gonna saturate the hair with water. Then we're gonna come in with some curl cream. We're just gonna apply it all in the hair, get it into the roots, and we'll just play around with it, try to curl it up. But yeah, my client seemed very satisfied with the trim that he got today. But with rather ado, this is how my client came in, and this is how my client's leaving. I mean, I don't know about you, but he looks satisfied to me. Other than that, please subscribe, like, and comment if you guys want to see more. Deuces.